Papakul.
Come out. Look southwest.
They're trying
5,
to mount up.
4, 3, 2, 1. On these guys. Fast. Nice one. Go back to the outpost, boys. Go back to the outpost. Everyone go back to the outpost. Go back to defensives. Ready defensive. Nice. Good. Go back to the outpost. Go back. Keep walking to the outpost. Ignore
Engage
everything and
sila.
keep walking. Yeah, may engage sila. Go back. Just get back. Defensive.
Defend.
Now push in. Come southwest. Push in.
May ano dito sa loob.
Push in. Come out. You guys have engaged now. Guys, look inside of us. Guys, ready. Look inside of us. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these guys. Good job. Kill them.
Nice one.
Kill them. Nice. Now spread. Northwest and northeast. Northwest, southwest. Spread. Make sure everyone spread. Spread. Boys, spread. Keep spreading. Don't get engaged. Mag-engage na sila sa southwest. Defensives.
Nahelin ko.
Okay. Ready. Southwest. May engage pa sila. Good defensives. Now look inside of us. Guys. Ready. Inside of us now. Inside of us. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything here. Good job. Good fucking job. Now come southwest. Southwest. Wala na yan. Just keep spread, boys. Spread. Push in, spread. Spread northwest. You guys are too clump. They might still engage. Spread. Defensives. Now look northeast, guys. Ready. Northeast. East now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. On me. Nice. Kill him. Just kill everyone. Kill Balyon.
GG's daw, sabi ni Azero.
Just kill this guy. Okay. Let him leave.
T73.
Let him leave. No. Out. Cancel. Let him leave.